Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can see your desktop. And we can go to the task under. So, can you open your input file once? Wait for a while, కాస్త టైం తీసుకుంటున్నాం అనుకుంటా. మీ ఇన్పుట్ ఫైల్ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేస్తారా? హలో అని మీ ఇన్పుట్ ఫైల్ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయరా? అవునా, 1 minute అండి. అయితే 1 minute. Okay, so what you are doing, we took a sequential file space, okay, and in the sequential file underscore 0 we have input data, and in the copy of sequential file underscore 0 we have reference data. So we took the same data of the input file, we modified few records, we kept the same records of input file, and we deleted some existing records and we added new records. So we did 4 operations. One is copy of the input file, we did deletion of some records which are present in the input file, we added new records which are present in the input file, and we updated few records which are present in the input file. So we did 4 operations, right? Now you pull a link from change underscore capture underscore file. Okay, keep a new file, sequential file. Okay, I think it is not linked. Link it. When you link it, the red color will be gone from the link, right? Now open change capture space. See, okay, we'll later leave the properties to that. Open change capture space. So what is our key? Our key is we are having only one key. So what is our key? ID. Perfect. What are the change values? We are going to see one thing. You have your employee ID, right? So some of your, suppose your designation is going to be changed, your salary is going to be changed, okay, and your benefits going to be changed. So except the key columns, rest of all columns are going to be the change values. Okay, except key columns, rest of all values are considered to be change values. Okay, so you click on change values. Now click on value. Now we have thought, okay, give one value. You gave already ID. Now cost you give. Okay, now change value. Click on change values. Okay, click on value. Now give one more, another column. In the same way, you give all the values other than ID. Give, yeah, name. No, we shouldn't give ID because it's a key column. So name. So click on change value. Now click on value. Now click on section code. Now click on change value. Click on value. Right. See. Now go to options. Okay. Click on. Wait. Scroll down. Make it as big. Little big. Make the window little big. Okay. So we want output for copy. See. Here initially we have drop output for copy true. So what it will do is it will drop all the values which are present in input as well as in reference data which are not changed. But we want to trace it now, right? See, we have 4 values here. Drop out for copy, drop out for delete, drop out for edit, drop out for output for insert. So when you keep true, the particular record will be dropped. If it is a copy record, it will be dropped. So let's keep drop output for copy is equal to true to false, so that we can capture even the copy data also. Okay. Logistic. Okay. See, up to these options it will be fine. Usually we use all the options. Okay. And now you go to output. Click on output. You map all the rows. All the columns. You map all the columns. Perfect, right? So we have one extra column on the target side. Scroll down, you will see that. Change code. So here change code will be 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0 it is copy. For 1 it is insert. For 2 it is delete. For 3 it is a change. Okay. Now you map. Okay, it is already mapped. So give some target value. CDC output .txt. Okay, click on OK. So to target you give some file value, file path and file name. Click on browse for file. Now give the name as CDC output. Okay. Click OK. Now save the job as CDC. Wait. Click on change capture once. One thing we need to see. Link ordering is there, right? See, what is our before link? Original data that is present in input data, DS link 3 and the other is DS link 4. It is correct, right? So if you alter it, it will be altered. So we need to make sure we are following proper link ordering. Okay? So click on OK. So our top link will be the old one. Our down link will be the new one. So click on jobs, CDC, click on CDC. CDC, change data capture. Okay. Save. Okay. Now compile and run the job. Okay, got it, right? So see, the first two records, 1 ABC 98.45, 2, this shows that it is a updated record. Okay, and 3 FTG and 5 ABC, okay, are insert records, that are the new records. Okay, 4 FTG copy record. Last record FTG 678.213 is a delete record. So in this way you can track it, right? So you are fine with the CDC. Suppose I want only the copy record, then I will change the option drop output for copy is equal to true. Then it will drop all the copy records. Okay? You are getting right? How to change the options, what will happen? Yeah. That also, if you set the other properties to true, those records also will be dropped. Yeah. So you are fine with CDC, right? Okay. Now you will, okay. You close this. Okay. Once you show the processing stages, I will check whether I missed anything. Go to processing. Plus again, different. These are not necessary stages. I will let you know. Funnel is over. Filter is over. We have two stages. That is lookup is there, merge is there, and pivot is there, remove duplicate, STD is not required, surrogate is there, switch is transformer is there. Okay, again. Hold on. Okay. We have many left now. So we have one more stage called lookup stage. Okay, we'll create a copy of this job. Close this and create a copy of this job. And rename it to lookup. Okay. Open it. And here for copy of underscore sequential file underscore 0, you change it to ref. Rename it to ref. The file name, you rename it to ref. Okay. Now what you will do, you remove the change data script, right? See. On ref link, you change it to ref. On ref link is there, right? DSLink 4. Click on it, right click on it, change it to convert to reference to this. Perfect. Now take lookup from left side and keep there. Okay. Perfect. Now everything is okay. Open lookup. See, lookup acts as a join stage. Okay. Lookup acts as a join stage. So using lookup we can do left join, right join. So lookup is mainly the sense in order to look up the data in reference and get the other columns. Okay. So instead of join we can use lookup. And for instead of lookup we can use join. When to go for join and when to go for lookup we need to choose based on the requirement. I will let you know about the details once we complete this step. So what is our key column? ID column, right? So you keep ID column as key, tick mark key here. And in DSLink 4, in DSLink 4, open DSLink 4, right, tick here, right. Now what you will do, see, go to up, DSLink 3, upper one. Make it as big one, big screen. You click, see, you go down left side bar, go to left side, yes, go down. Now, you pull a link from key expression underscore 3, that's left side, see, under key expression, with value containing for ID, left side, go left, pull a link from it, go to left, right. No, not that side. Go to down and map it to ID. Right. Okay. So here we are looking on ID. Okay, we need to get the reference data. So we will do one thing here. See, you add the same values and like keep name underscore original and name underscore reference. ID is there, right? You keep ID as same and right side for DSLink 7 on second right there name underscore wo. No, you edit it, you click on it and edit it, name underscore wo. Okay, cost underscore wo. For every value you give it as wo. This time there is no change code. To remove change code, delete it. Delete the entire row. Click on 7 and delete the entire row. Right click, delete row. Now see. Now from 2 to 6 you copy and write, but change the name underscore O to underscore N. Same values you do. You can't copy. You click on column name and copy the column name, paste it here, change it to name underscore N. Wait. You click on name underscore O. double click, copy it, okay. Under section CD underscore O, you have one more tab left, right? Under text on the same DSLink 7, on the line number 7, right click, paste, and change underscore O to N, and change the data type to varchar of 20 as varchar of 20. Can you just hold on? Varchar of 20. Change it to null to no. So in the same way, you copy all the columns. Cost underscore O, okay? You change to cost underscore N. Decimal 9,3. Okay? Perfect. See, later you can add other columns, okay? First, see here your DS link is equal to 3 is your source, right? DS link 4 is your reference. So you map the underscore, the values coming from DS link 3 to underscore O, okay? So you map. No. On the upper side only. You map directly ID to ID there. No. From DSLink 3 on upper, no. You should work on upper side only, not on the lower side. Click on ID and link and map it to ID. On DSLink 3, click on ID. DSLink 3 I'm saying, not 4. DSLink 3. Above one, right? Click on ID and map on ID. Map to the ID. Right side, yes. Map to the ID. In this way, you map all the columns from name up to right. Cost. So service date to service date underscore. Effective date to effective date underscore. So section code to section code underscore. Yeah. So you map from the DSM 4 the rest two columns. Name to name underscore N, cost to cost underscore N. So after the completion of the class, you map all the other columns also. As of now, I will map only these. Okay? Fine, right? See, wait. On the top side, you can see some icons, right? Top underscore lookup underscore qual lookup stage. You can see some icons. So you go to the second icon. Yes, constraint. Open it. So here we will give any condition on DSLink 4. So if the condition is not met, then there is an option called fail. That option can be changed. You click on it. You click on fail. Condition not met, fail is there, right on right side. You click on it. So we have multiple options. So here, if it is continue, condition not met is equal to continue, then the job will be continuing. Okay? And if the condition not met is equal to drop, those records will be dropped. Okay? And if the condition not met is equal to reject, we can capture the rejected data. And now we have one more tab called lookup, right? You click on lookup. Same options you can see. Okay? So here we are looking up the ID column of DSLink 3 on DSLink 4, right? So if we give continue, what will happen is the record coming from DSLink 3 will check up in the DSLink 4. If ID is not there also, it will continue. That means it will go to the output if you give the continue option. You are getting? And if you give the drop, and if the record is coming from 3 and if it is not there in 4, the record will be dropped. Okay? And if it is fail, if the record is coming from 3 and if it is not coming from 4, the job will fail. Okay? If it is reject, then we can drag a result link from output and we can capture what are the results. That means what are the records present in the source and what are the records not present in the reference. Okay, these are the options. You got it right? So here continue means what will happen if it acts as a left outer join. Am I correct? It acts as left outer join because although the key is not there in the right side table and in the reference table, the record will be processed. And if it is dropped, it acts as inner join. Right? The fail in the sense, based on the requirement, the job will be failed. But obviously, it will fail and result corresponds to the inner join itself. Okay? Fail in the sense, if the record is not matched, then we need to fail the job. Result in the sense, it acts as inner join, but it will drop. We are going to collect all the resulted data. So let's go first with continue. Okay? Condition not met, if it has failed. No, it's not a problem because we haven't specified any condition here. We can specify a condition, later we will check it. Okay? Now you go to fine, right, everything is fine now. Now go to click OK. Sequence way, please check the mapping one, everything is fine, right? Columns. Now change to lookup underscore output. Right? Okay. See here one more thing we need to make sure. Name underscore n. See, suppose if we give the condition to continue, it is a left outer join, we may get the null. So please keep it as n. Nullability to s. Because there is a chance, right? So make it to s. Click on OK. That is fine, right? Fail. It will fail. Nullability difference from source to target. Just click OK. Now compile. Let's see what happens. Run. Process. Let's check the data now. Lookup output is there. Take the input file underscore 1. So 1, 6, 2, 4. See, this is the input file. 1, 2, 6, 4. And all the columns are present in reference, right? Please check on. Check the reference file one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 is not there. Correct. Continue. But see, once open the reference CDC. Reference CDC. You open the reference CDC.txt. See, this is not your. See, 1 is there. 6 is there. Not there. 2 is there. 4 is there. But ideally, we gave continue, right? So we got 4 records. Null. Okay? Now can you change it to drop and try once? Ideally this should be 3, right? Perfect. Okay? Now change it to reject. Okay? Click OK. Wait. From lookup underscore, try to pull a link down. Yeah, this is reject link. See. No, it's already reject. It's already a reject link. See, one thing. Go to development and debug. Yes. Above processing, we have one option called development people. Above processing file, right. Take a peak space, take a peak, keep it here. Now run. Take it. Don't give any properties. Then peak space will not be having any properties. So why we use the peak space in a sense? Usually, in order to check the result records, we can keep peak or copy space here, so that the rejected record can be seen in the log. You go to Datastage log now, go to tools, run director. So lookup, right click on lookup. No, the right side one. See, here one record we got, peak 15.0, name FTG, cost. So in the log we can see that we need not waste a sequential file for that. Okay, for this purpose peak will be used. Fine, right? And wait, once you click, you click on sequential file underscore 8, click on sequential file underscore 8. View data, click OK. Okay, let's give a one condition that ID is not equal to 4, okay, so that the record should be filtered, right? So go to condition not met, and here click on condition, and here right click. There you give input column method is there, right? ID less than greater than, that is not equal to 4. So only 4 because it is integer, right? And click on condition not met. No, click on condition not met. Here you can change that option to drop. Let's drop the record which is not meeting the condition. So earlier we got 3 records, among which one record is having ID is equal to 4. Now we are going to drop that record. Okay? Then only the record will be processed. If ID is equal to 4, that record will be dropped. As we gave the drop condition not met. See, DSM 13 ID not equal to 4 is our condition. Okay? If our condition is not meeting, we have 4 options. You click on the condition not met drop down list. If the condition is meeting, if the condition is not meeting, then you will give the continue option, the record will be processed. If you give the drop option, the record will be dropped. If you give the fail option, the job will be aborted. If you give the reject option, it will be collected in the reject link. So let's give, okay, you give now drop, ideally 2 records should be processed. Click OK, now click OK. Now compile. Close, click on run. two records you got, right? And now we keep it as drop option, lookup. Drop, sorry, change it to reject. Click OK. Click run. Two records. And right? And you click on lookup and export twice. And there, key type is there, right? One thing, key type. On DSM4 we have key type. Key type, DSM4, above one. We have inequalities there, right? So there is a drop down list. So you scroll down it. What are the options are there you see? Data. We have caseless. So we have caseless in the sense, what happens is, if we have capital A in source, okay, and we are having small a in reference, but we need to consider small a and capital A as same, then we give the caseless. Yes, if you give the character itself, then the case insensitive. Okay? And next one, what we get is called the range. Okay? So, in this we need to keep it as, I will take one more example for range. So, range in the sense, what will happen is, in the reference you will be having two columns. Okay? So, if you want the input data within the range in between the two columns of the reference, then we will use the range option. Okay? So what we will do now, we will take copy of the job. Okay? Take a copy of the job. Create copy. Now, copy of lookup, you change it to lookup underscore range. Okay? Range. Click on it. Perfect. See, now what I will do is, you have reference link, right? Open the reference link and open the sequence file in the reference. So now we will create a new reference link which will be having like two columns only, like ID1 and ID2. Create a new file. ID2. Keep it as 1, 3. Okay. 2, 4, something. 5, 1, 5. And keep one more column ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep ID, our ID column. Three, 4. Save it as range underscore ref dot txt. Save it, right? So you change the metadata here. You give the name here. Range underscore ref. Range underscore ref, not ref underscore ref. Okay? Now columns 2, ID 1 you give, right? ID 1, ID 2, make it as integer, integers, and we deleted ID too. Okay. ID2 is not a key column. Remove key column from ID1. ID is our key column. Now keep ID. You can make it as nullable yes on the non-key column. Okay. Click OK, and now you view the data. Everything is fine. View the data now. Click on view data. You are getting the data on the system. Okay, and now close it. Click OK. Right. Click on Lookup. Okay. You remove DS name underscore n and cost underscore n from the DS link 7. Here, you remove it. Remove it. Delete row. Name cost underscore n. Delete row. Okay. Click on DS link 4. DS link 4 left side. Yes. ID. Fine, right? So here you change the lookup from here ID is here, right? ID here on DS link 4 we have ID. Not here on the upper above part. We have is equal to here, right? Red color. Change it to range. Range. What is showing A to Z? Match ID to ID here. What is showing A to Z? Can you change? I haven't used this option till now. Okay? This is for the first time I am using. Condition test run. Give me a minute. Yeah, once I'm googling. Maybe that's the new one for me. Okay, and on ID1 you click key expression of ID1, click ID1, click key type to range. No, on ID1 key expression you click reset. You remove uncheck the key expression on DSL port, uncheck the key expression, down, you uncheck the down, you uncheck it. For ID1 and ID2 you check it. ID1 and ID2 you check it. There you change it to range. Here also range. You click on key expression. Let's click on it. See here. DS link 4.ID1 range column is okay. You keep it as left hand. Okay, and CS link ID4. Okay, let's keep only ID1 here. Okay, that means we are getting input data from here. Keep taking these 4 as reference data, right? Lookup link CD, right? You can cancel it once, you cancel it. Click on cancel. You cancel it. Now here also you cancel it. Don't do anything, cancel it. Yes. And here. DSL info is our reference, right? But why to change in this way? It should be in the range of reference. Another way started. I will do the job and I will let you know about the option. Okay? Sure? Okay? And I will tell you tomorrow about it. And if you want, I will give you one link. I got a live example, but I was confused over this is the link I am giving you. You also have a look and even I will try. I ping it to your Gmail ID. Okay. You are there, right? Yeah. I'm pinging you to Gmail ID. You check the link once and later you have it there. Okay? I'll try and I'll let you know. And you'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow probably I have freshers training. I need to take some freshers training. I need to prepare tomorrow morning, okay? I will take up tomorrow, night at the same time, I think, 10 or 10:30, okay? Fine. And then, bye.